Wala. Wayow, Jellai Jolly parin. We're back again with another vlog. I'm with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So right now guys, I will be doing the part 2 of my Korean lesson. My past vlog was the 20 basic Korean words. Right now is the 20 most common 20 most common words I hear from K-drama. I gathered up 20 words from the K-dramas I watched, though it's not really that many, but I gathered them all, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. These are just very basic words. Wait a second. Watch it, okay? Watch it, ha? It's a teacher Jellai. Yes. I've gathered everything I'm gonna teach you guys. These are just very simple, like, I know you guys also hear this from K-dramas you watch. So without further ado, let's get started. First is, how do you say really, seriously in Korean? I know you guys have heard that. I know you guys have heard that in K-dramas when they say 진짜요? 진짜서? And okay, 진짜요? Oh, very good! That's how they say really or seriously? 진짜요? Or in other ways they can also say 정말? 정말? Or 그래? 그래? Very good. Kaka is a fast learner. Okay, that's it. First is when they say seriously, they say 진짜? Or 정말? Or 그래? Second, when Koreans say have you eaten? We say it 밥 먹었어? Or you can say it in either ways. 먹었어? Or 먹었어? Have you already eaten? That's great. I know you guys have heard that a lot of times. Okay. Third! Yayay ko. Kasi take care, babe. Take care. Wala na? Okay. Okay, very good. So the third is when Koreans say by any chance, they say 혹시. Very good. 혹시. So sometimes they say 혹시 남자친구가 있어요? That's by any chance. Do you have a boyfriend? Say 혹시. Wow, very good. Very good. Okay. Fourth is when Koreans say do not lie. In situations when somebody is gonna say something and then gonna 한쪽에 nga, don't lie or please don't lie. They say 펑 치지 마. 펑 치지 마. 펑 치지 마. Say 펑 치지 마. Don't lie. 네가 개바오? 응. Ay, di 개바오 si Kaking. 펑 치지 마. 제발. Please. Come here, Sabi. Wala. 5 ba ganita? Ooh. Ano ta? Fifth is when Koreans say don't misunderstand or don't misinterpret, they say 오해하지 마. 오해하지 마. Kaking daw. 오해하지 마.
Wala ka ba?
Ay, wala kay bawa kong student. Moto siya, guys. 오해하지 마. Please don't misinterpret or please don't misunderstand. Okay, the sixth one is when Koreans say sure, sure. Whenever you say your opinions or ideas, Koreans say 그래, 그래, 그래. I know you guys hear that too. When Koreans say sure, sure, they say 그래, 그래. Oh, 그래, 그래. Seven. Wait for a while. In K-dramas, we usually hear 잠깐만요, 잠깐만요, 잠깐만요. In other variation, they can also say 잠시만요, like wait for a while, 잠시만요, or 잠깐만요. Eight. So when Koreans say don't do that, simply they say 하지마, because 하다 is to do and jima is like don't. So 하지마, don't do that. That's it. 하지마, don't do that. Ninth is don't go. So basically don't is jima, go is ka. So 가지마, 가지마, 가지마. don't go. If magpapugos, girls, kiba naman sa Korean, magpapugos dyan sila. Kachimala go. I said don't go. That's it. Okay, our 10th word is it's a lie. Koreans say it's a lie. In Korean, lie is 거짓말. Say 거짓말. Whoa, very good. 거짓말. So 거짓말이야. 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 It's a lie. So the Korean of lie is simply 거짓말. So it's a lie. 거짓말이야.
11.
Okay. Our 11th is 죽을래? 죽을래? 이거 king. 죽을래? What does it mean? It means, do you want to die? You usually hear that in like kanang comedy portions, like kanang annoying kayo mga storya na mga 죽을래? But never use that, guys, when you're talking to older people or to other people whom you're not close to, because it's very informal. Well, so our 10th word is 세상에. It's a very common expression in K-dramas. 세상에. 세상에 means world. So when they say 세상에, it's like an expression of disbelief. It's like, what in the world? Sesame? 세상에.
13.
I know you also guys usually hear this. When Koreans say, 너 미쳤어? 너 미쳤어? Like, are you crazy? 너 미쳤어? That's it basically. 14. Easy kay ni King. 좋아요. It means I like you. You can also say 좋아 when you say na you like this or 이게 좋아. 좋아요. In romantic K-dramas, in confessions, they usually say that to their girlfriend, to their crush or whatever. 좋아요. 정말 좋아요. I really like you. Okay. 15. This is also very common. How Koreans say please in a desperate way. Dagan ganesh's K-dramas, guys. So this is how you say it. 제발요. 제발. Nothing though. 제발요. 16th is when Koreans say where are you? 어디야? Oh, 어디야? Where are you? They can also say 어디 가요? 가 is go. So where are you going? 어디 가요? 지금 어디 있어? Where are you now? 17 is when there's something wrong. They usually say 왜 그래? 왜 저래? Or 왜 그래? It means is there something wrong or what's wrong? 18 is the Korean words for girlfriend and boyfriend. I know you guys usually hear that in K-dramas. Boyfriend, they say it 남자친구. 친구 means friend and 남자 is boy. 남자친구. Girlfriend is 여자친구. 여자 is girl and 친구 is friend. 여자친구. 남자친구가 있어? Do you have a boyfriend? Or 여자친구가 있어? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend, King? Wala din. Okay, 19 na na! 1, 2, 3, 19! Are you okay? 괜찮아요? 괜찮아요? Cocking no. 괜찮아요? You can also answer when you're being asked 괜찮아요? You can answer 네, 괜찮아요. 괜찮아? Last na King! 20! 1, 2, 3, 20! So the last word is when they say I miss you. Especially in romantic K-dramas. When you say I miss you, you say 보고 싶어. 보고 싶어. 보고 싶어. 보 means 봐요. 봐요 is to look or to see. So 보 is to see. 보고 싶어 is like I want to. So I want to see you, which literally means I miss you. 보고 싶어. So that's all, guys. I think that was already 20. I hope that this part 2 of my Korean lesson will be essential. I hope you guys learned something in my tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this vlog, and we will see you guys the next time around. Bye bye.
Bye.
조심해요. It means take care. Bye everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit subscribe and hit like if you guys enjoyed the video. See you again in my next video. Bye.